हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जी के अपडेट विद उन्नति। अगर आप चैनल में न्यू हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें एंड नोटिफिकेशन बेल ऑन कर दें जिससे आपको हमारे अपकमिंग वीडियो की अपडेट मिलती रहे। तो आज के वीडियो में हम 2 जुलाई 2025 के टॉप 30 करंट अफेयर्स MCQ गो थ्रू करेंगे जो कि आपके अपकमिंग एग्जाम्स के लिए इम्पॉर्टेंट है। वीडियो के लास्ट में क्वेश्चन ऑलरेडी दे रहता है जिसका आंसर आपको कमेंट करके बताना होता है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। हु हैज बिकम द फर्स्ट इंडियन वुमेन क्रिकेटर टू स्कोर सेंचुरीज इन ऑल 3 इंटरनेशनल फॉर्मेट्स, टेस्ट, ODI एंड T20s? And the answer is Smriti Mandhana. Second question. Where was the inaugural Asian-Indian cruise dialogue held? And the answer is Chennai. Third question. Who has become the first Indian to conduct a scientific experiment on the International Space Station? And the answer is Subhanshu Shukla. Fourth question. Who has been awarded the Shakti Bhatt Prize 2025 for the book The Lucky Ones? And the answer is Zara Chaudhary. Fifth question. Recently, Ayush Shetty won the US Open 2025. He is associated with which sport? And the answer is badminton. Sixth question. Belgrade, which is in the news, is the capital of which country? And the answer is Serbia. Seventh question. Sea Ship Observer mission has been launched by whom? And the answer is Quad. Eighth question. GST Day is celebrated every year on 1st July. When was GST launched? And the answer is 1st July 2017. Ninth question. National Doctors Day is celebrated every year on July 1st in India in whose memory? And the answer is Dr. Vidhan Chandra Roy. 10th question. Recently, Padma Shri recipient Surmukhi Devi has passed away. She was associated with which field? And the answer is classical dance. 11th question. The CoalStats mobile application has been launched by whom? And the answer is National Sample Survey Office. 12th question. Who secured the top position in the FIH Women's Pro League point table? And the answer is Netherlands. 13th question. World Sports Journalists Day is observed every year on? And the answer is 2nd July. 14th question. Where did Union Home Minister Amit Shah inaugurate the National Turmeric Board headquarters? And the answer is Nizamabad. 15th question. Which company became the first Indian firm to cross 15 gigawatt of renewable energy capacity? And the answer is Adani Green. 16th question. In which city was Radhanath Swami recently honored for spiritual and community leadership? And the answer is New York. 17th question. How much amount did Warren Buffett donate in 2025 to 5 philanthropic foundations? And the answer is $6 billion. 18th question. Which state government has approved the Mukhyamantri Kanya Vivah Mandap Yojana? And the answer is Bihar. 19th question. Which country won the Bloomberg Philanthropies Award in the O category for global tobacco control? And the answer is India. 20th question. Recently, which state has approved the Shakti Peeth Expressway project worth rupees 80,000 crore? And the answer is Maharashtra. 21st question. Football for Schools program is run by FIFA in collaboration with which organization? And the answer is UNESCO. 22nd question. The Central Sector Scheme of Scholarship for school and university students is implemented by which ministry? And the answer is Ministry of Education. 23rd question. As per the State of India's Digital Economy Report 2024, what is India's global rank in digitalization? And the answer is 3rd rank. 24th question. After a 5-year suspension through which pass the Kailash Mansarovar Yatra resume on 30th June? And the answer is Lippo Lake Pass. 25th question. In which state the Shimli-Pal Tiger Reserve recently in news is located? And the answer is Odisha. 26th question. Which country is set to start its first ever household income survey in February 2026? And the answer is India. 27th question. How much compensation has been announced by the Prime Minister to the families of those killed in the recent drug factory explosion in Telangana? And the answer is 1 crore. 28th question. Recently, the world's first silicon-free computer has been developed by which country? And the answer is USA. 29th question. Recently, India has banned jute imports from which country through land and sea ports? And the answer is Bangladesh. And the last 30th question. Where was the first edition of the Rugby Premier League 2025 held, the title of which was won by Chennai Bulls? And the answer is मुंबई। तो ये थे 2 जुलाई 2025 के टॉप 30 करंट अफेयर्स MCQs। और अब आते हैं क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे पे। तो आज का क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे है, विच स्टेट इज सेटिंग अप एन ऑर्डिनेंस फैक्ट्री कॉरिडोर टूवर्ड्स बिकमिंग द न्यू वेपन हब इन इंडिया। तो इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट ऑप्शन आपको आंसर करना है कमेंट सेक्शन में।